Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a prom inspired look. It is officially prom season, so I thought, why not? I am officially back. I am ready to go. Okay? As for why I was MIA, it's long story. Maybe we'll get into that a little bit more with the get ready with me chit chat. But for now, I want you to stay tuned for this look. Of course, don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed, and make sure that you click the little bell button next to it so that you can be notified for all of my upcoming videos, which will be a lot. And I actually have a review coming slash demo slash tutorial this weekend, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you like this video so that we can make more videos and grow the Glam fam. Yes, you guys are officially the Glam fam. Of course, why not? I'm Glamazon K. Hello, Glam fam. I hope you guys like that name. Let me know what you think about it down below in the comments. Let me know what you think about this look. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you're able to follow along and walk into your prom and slay with confidence. It's all about the confidence and just the slayage. You just gotta go in there and slay like you own it. Anyways, I think I'm rambling now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm going to start off with the color Orange Soda as my transition color, using my Morphe M441 brush to blend it in. Next, I'm going to dip into the color Sienna to deepen the crease, starting from the outer corner and blending inwards, and I'm going to use a smaller blending brush, which is my Morphe M443 brush. I'm just going to blend that out with my Morphe E47 brush. To add more dimension, I'm going to dip back into that palette, now using the color Mulberry, and blend from the outer to the inner corner. Once I'm satisfied with the depth, I'm going to cut the lid with my LA Girls Cosmetics concealer, and you can actually use any concealer for this, but I love the LA Girl Cosmetics. It's awesome and it's super cheap, and you can find it in any drugstore. And then once I'm done cutting the lid, I'm going to dip back into the Soft Glam palette and apply the color Glistening as my lid color. To be a tad extra, I'm going to apply my Stila Glitter and Glow shadow in the color Kitten Karma on the lid as well. To darken the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to go into the first crease colors and then dip into the color Noir. To complete the face, I'm just applying some foundation and concealer. And then once I do that, I'm going to apply my Beauty Blender, which is damp, and then just blend everything out. Once I'm done blending out everything, of course, I'm gonna go in with my favorite thing in my whole wide world, some good old highlighter. And I'm going to apply that to my cheeks and my nose. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to apply my MAC Cork liner with my Makeupshayla and Colourpop Cosmetics Ooh lipstick. And then just top it off with the Neat Freak gloss. And I absolutely love this nude color. Have you guys tried this lipstick? If not, you're missing out. And that completes this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.